All right, midday update here on the 31st. Let's go over the different possibilities. So if we zoom in here on the really low time frame, you'll see that this gap down looks like a 5-wave move to me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this looks like an ABC move. So I have this labeled as 1 or A, 2 or B. We don't know if this is an ABC move overall. We just know this was impulsive and this was corrective. So the target for this next move down, based on that, would be 382.65 is the 1.61 fib. That would end right around the end of the day today, if that happens. Or I have 384.12 as well as a possibility based on the difference in price between these 2 points, taking it from this point. So it's about $1, what's that, $1.10 or so less than that. So 384.12 was what it would come out to. So we don't know if this is impulsive yet or not, but if you remember from the last video, I talked about this looked like a B wave to me. So if that's a B wave and we're looking for an expanded flat, so if this is an A wave, or A wave, B wave, expanded flat would take this down to 377 to 373. So that's still a possibility. We just got to get a big move down from here. And it's not really moving that much. The VIX isn't really moving. So it's kind of hard to tell what it's going to do from here. But we would need to see, if we're going to get down to 377, we probably need to get down here to 382.65 on the next move by the end of the day, bounce, and then go lower. So that's definitely possible as one of the options from here. The other option is that this ends up being ABCA. This is the B wave, or you could look at it like X, Y, Z, X, and then this is A, B, C, X, pullback Y, Z up here. So kind of like this. So we come down here for this wave, go higher, pull back, and then we get another ABC move higher, kind of like that, all the way to 400. So that's possible too. Kind of hard to tell what it's going to do right now, but we do know that based on the price action from today, that this first wave down is impulsive, corrective. So we know that we're going to get this move down here, most likely to at least the bottom of here, but most likely at least 384.12 would be my target. So I traded this a little bit today. I did some puts around on the second wave move actually. So I didn't have anything on here. I have SQQQ, I guess, in my long-term portfolio. I sold a little bit right here. And then this came back. I was looking at the 50% retracement for my entry. And I got some right here, and then I add some contracts if it goes past it. And then it came up here. It looked like it was, trying to come up here and break the high. Everyone was getting bullish on it. Didn't break the 0.78 fib, which you don't really want it to break that when it's the second wave. And then we got a quick move down. I sold my contracts in the 386s, and then I reloaded in here, sold some more right on here. And I'm currently out of all of them. Just kind of watching, see what this does, because the VIX is kind of just sitting there, not really doing that much. So we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll just finish around. I mean, we have 3 hours left, I guess. So we'll see what happens. We have to see if this is an ABC move. If it's an ABC move, then I'm going to favor this right here, just a corrective move higher. So WXY, X, W, X, Y, X, or no, that'd be ABC, X, ABC. Just kind of a corrective move higher. So we'll see what this does. At the end of the day, I'll probably have a good idea of what we're going to do from there based on how far this goes down. But I guess I'm not leaning either way right now, but it kind of looks like it's going to end up being corrective. But anything can happen right now. The VIX is making it look like it's going to be corrective. So yeah, the VIX again hit the target that I had laid out, the 50% retracement, and it shot up today. Currently coming down here. Kind of hard to tell what it's going to do as well. But of course, if we get the impulsive move down to 370s, we're going to need a big spike up here, probably to like the 1.61 fib around 2780. And if it's a corrective move, I would expect chop and then just for this to melt up higher. So that's pretty much it. I think the dollar was higher. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar is higher today. So you'd think the market would be down. It's probably down about the right amount for the dollar being up that high. So that's pretty much it. Just look for, if you draw your parallel lines here, we can just see how far this goes down. If it stays between these, then you can pretty much say that this is going to be a corrective move and we should get a move higher after that. If we break this and we get a big move down, then we're thinking 370s probably. So I'll put an update after the market. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in a bit.